Linking your bank account to Zomato allows for seamless transactions when ordering food or making payments. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Open the Zomato app. Launch the Zomato app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once you are in the app, tap on the profile icon or the menu option. Look for account settings or payment method in the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Add Bank Account. In the Account Settings or Payment Methods section, find the option to Add Bank Account. Tap on it to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Enter bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number, ISK code, and any other required information. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information and tap on Confirm or Save. You may receive a verification message or email to complete the linking process. Now your bank account is linked to Zomato, making it easy to place orders and manage payments. Enjoy your meals.